even in the interior, Casami Yadia as a second, the uncle, Butter, or better movie, and soon. I danced it. And we told Safra to say, she said, I do any idea can know young folk as a second, or back in cancer, and say, and Sana, baby. It was so kaya. She said, Mimi, dear, Mimi, say, Bibia, call Eddie, Mammy, Bidiaco, and even in the
Exactly. I mean, Uncle has said it all. Honestly, I don't think we need to go through all this protocol and all the formalities. It's not necessary. I mean, we all know that my dad has willed everything to me. I'm the only son, you know? So we really don't have to go through all of that. And my uncle is the only living relative that I know, and he will not fight me for my inheritance because he knows it's duly mine. And he's living a good life. So he hasn't got any qualms with that. All this is just not necessary, for real.
Yo, Ejadabo, I'm said the old cannot question on. And so, I'm not question on. So we call the creature. So I am some answer to said the lawyer were heady. Come here, that's a car. One kind, yin and I who near dancing.
That's lawyer Abronia. From our brother James. Over to you.
Openidabo said, ye, Wabomidi, actually, was your phone. Within the lawyer Abronia from Abronia Chambers. When the movie dance, you say, Openi Sapon, Kuma Tiasim, Minanoan, Edituma, Grata, Simon, Juman, and we should be at the moment. Answer the corner creation soon. Oh, yeah, some answer the tour. Sabi sendo ni wa se semi ba na me be kan e di chire busua no semi ba ya
You can't find it. I mean, you're coming to read just a single will and you come with a whole suitcase.
Wait, I'm coming. I will get it.
Yeah, but you don't even know where you put it. Why come with all of this?
I deal with so many cases, so.
But we know you. You just come with that single thing. You just come to waste time. The property is mine already. I don't. It's honestly, Uncle, it's a waste of time, isn't it?
Relax.
No. It's not necessary for real.
Openidabo. Samasia opening sapon kuma di jaye ena me be kan e di akire busu. Opening sapon kuma e kire se ni japade a owo e wo Ghana ha ene ama no ne nyina. Name na ya wesisi ne cash owo ene ni sika wo bank nyina no de ma ne ba be di akon.
You see, I mean, this is exactly what we're saying. We didn't need all of this. We know Dad willed it to me. So what again?
Relax, let me finish because there's a clause inside this. So let me finish that one.
There's a clause.
Yes. Opening double. The opening sapon kuma kind of say. Ansa na neba bedi akon ebetimi edi na ade no ana ajapade ne beba no ho no ehye se okoji OKONFO ANOKYE POMA no
Wait. I know. Do I have the right to see it? Can I see that clause?
Oh yeah, I'll give it to you later.
Why? Why can I not read it and see it for myself?
That's not what is in.
Yes, but what shows that you are not lying? Because this clause, I don't know about it. My uncle doesn't know about it.
Relax.
What do you mean relax? This clause is saying it's affecting my inheritance. It's hindering my inheritance, and you say relax? Don't I have the right to see it? I mean, before my father dies, I get it. He's dead. He's gone.
Relax. After you get it.
Yes, but what is wrong with getting it now? He wrote it for me not to see it before he dies. He's dead. No, but why can't I read it? What is wrong with that? Please. And you and I know I'm right, that I have the right to read it.
No problem. You go through. the pomade, right? Thank you very much.
Uncle, what is this? What is this? OKONFO Anokye Poma. What is it? The stuff? What is that?
I've been relax. I know what to do.
Relax for what? I need to. Lawyer, do you know what that thing is?
But I could be honest with you. Even when your dad came to my chamber, I asked him exactly what is that OKONFO Anokye Poma. But
relax. I don't want to do. No, that's it. That's it. We can cancel and say no. Am I? That's it. Take it easy. I know what to do.
Mamo. Yes. I will feel to tear. Wouldn't fear. Now what do I do?
then come.
And I know my sister. And I bore you. And then I don't know what to do. Now, what's another? I don't know.
Oh, there'll be a two station. Two some the quay.
I did two.
The quay and the two some come the quay in.
Ah, are
they?
The movies are not there. Do you want 5 years?
The man fashion, Mazen. Now, who dare you, my in so near say Munana, morning in Ascata, Ubia pay baby fire.
I just said some Rania before I'm a new with the team and ah,
some running there. And get that or Boko Rainbow, near be back and problem in your course. Trap me now, my set. Or trap me trap a baby.
Again,
Bella.
Now you Chamberlain.
And so then.
Bella, a cura. And I chamber yakrantia.
Yabi me patches a fidina masun watchna a beginam. May you may ye or once, may ye akrante, may ye better. I can't tell cram the 3 baby. I
can't tell. So I'm running now.
Can't tell me as I'm worrying now. Hey, now who's I not here? Wafa for musini ne tutu a wonno now classmate omu ni no titifi na kuku no mono wo de osian nam wa horo ena nam biam de baba bia no ade awe
na me nkwa na me we wo bobo kase mu na fi se de mu na bobo no akrante mi ansa ne mu kase na what is that
na me kan oh
mi se odi bi beba ne na se odi bi beba de ase wo se na me ansa na me wi ni nyina se fancy nyina kwa so amaso ene se wo ba wo se na me kwa ha sei
yeah, you're not searching me for no need.
I dare put.
Some are by to search it.
What I dare not buy? What did I buy? Kojaro. My boy, PCS, you are not could be. Oh, by now, do you and I did be buyer. And then I miss better. I'm from a quality to be by no 1 month for Biamba. I'm for Biamba. Could I call you? What's the way save yourself? I'm quite self.
You're silent, or you give me excuses, and I believe there's some hidden truth in your silence or your numerous excuses. What the hell is this OKONFO ANOKYE POMA? What is it? Why can't you tell me about it? Sit down for what? Yaboche, every time. Why? What is it? I can't take it easy.
Easy. Sit down and let me tell you something.
And that's what you always say. Sit down. Take it easy. Okay, I'm sitting down.
Somehow I catch you. You are so irritating. Yes, be my call, ABB. OKONFO ANOKYE. Now we hear OKONFO kesiye atumi kutano. E was sentiment and the Ghana man. Now for Okuba. And now Okuba for a tono and the man himself. What did it to a fierce? I wonder. And I say too. Am I a uniform? All pass and Timamuno, and near my baby is a sea. Krubu will do so, or to me, Krubu or Swa, we shall. One new OKONFO, or ye sick a drop of 50 slow. A mass and to mine. I know not something to me now. Na ye kru yi die ati o ye ma yen na do na fa OKONFO ANOKYE POMA sa poma no eno na kru yi to me na ishasi. What has it?
Uncle, hold on a second. What are you saying? Do I look like a historian? Am I interested? I'm not. With all the who went and picked what and did what, I don't care. After saying all that you're saying, what has it got to do with me? Me, Papa, my inheritance, that's all I'm interested in. Just tell me what this whole thing is about, what it is, and let me just do it. Giving me stories left and right, it's all history class. I am not concerned. Just show me where this Puma stuff is. I go and get it, and that's it. And you just weaving around story upon story. Do I look like a historian? Do I look like I'm interested?
OKONFO ANOKYE POMA and son now Timothy was sacked and the papia. And also any.
Therefore, dear me from shed your material dream. Naminia, I kind. And that you mean you are from two. I said, ne, not treat young pond, and then an unknown among the year of fur fruit. Now a dream la woman best share no, yet and I try to bring so say. Tea, I said, baby, free. I'm not Yawa. But then the Tina come back.
For no credit, no yarding. So can't make us say, you heard it, she didn't put in an number. Made them in himself about Waffan. So him, I will need dear nature.
But they got you, dear Mary Shannon. Dear Megiddy, yes, who said the anonymous of Shannon. Now, Miss Re, anonymous said, so almost share me.
And look at the son will be and look, the son will be a crack, make crack a son of a penny. And you want to also to you.
Say, when
say some of the being free a what you are. Penny watch it. It's not here. What you no, it's saying, I was saying. Wow, Nana Monsieur Yeleno. Yes, you the trader pony, Nana Mossy. Can you book Hamid? Nana, yet, some day say. You, Atabi, oh, yeah, the Nana Mossy. Oh, Nana. No, oh, yeah. What you give us no? Mirina e na media. Wait. No, when you are there. Oh, for me, you know. Hey! I'm not here. Yes, I'm not in my room. Wow, won't have for. Yay! Nana said, Makonfo. Send your winning. Yenim kom hamra ene amamre wa. Se wa oba won't have for. Brought your commission. I see the back of the man. Yet the back of you, Musuma, and Emia, Rahuye. Said, I should have the fool. Nanso, and Mara, Mamre, 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 oh, yeah, to nothing. Hey, I brought you. Number pet, and I don't pen at it, son. And what's here? I don't pet to two. Never how. My dear, my own. Try it. Therefore, come to Papa to your matter. Therefore, Papa to your Miss Row. Send your comfort be the come. As some Labado Mutual Brani come out raka. Ah, like I said, be a bush, be a shot. We go to me, I was someone up. My young can I can get to cow. Ban say, you won't make him some real, but if you're doing, not some when you're money, then you are brave, and you hope. Comfort be a dead, be any dead. Yakabo when you did it, and yes, and anonymous Cadia. So you will to me one, which you hope. Yet they near me, Yadia too. Said anonymous camp, Padia, Yadia too. The Kokuma to you. Now, Yin sir. Sabaya some biaba. Ah, so from you look when you are high, see. Go for Penny. Penny, watch it. Send Nanum and the seer. Says a wood tiaku, your kiss ye so. No one tap. That's what say at the back. Some, if you say, Sister Winnie, Mamma, Sister Mamma, no 72, by a demon man about the bar for him. Monica, Monica, said to what Bemem. I record the Abba. And so, Mamma, what's here? Obako. Obeba. Why? It was. No, dear. Jim never seen. That's how I'm going to turn us off. You bet 2 years and I'm more yet, and the head to us walk.
Yes, son of that. Right. Fampa when it's on them, how it? And I want them from so. Now was one good thing. Then I'm here near Twasso. I'm the water. To nothing. And black. Yembra! Onya bema on. Anane. Tane breme. Namutuo. Monana namjaha me kasa dede. Sane amamra ne amane asieni o nananum. Nyam nam hyehyɛ mmara bɛtoe na me di so ma fa de bonie na wo dwem yɛ kɔ wonya bɛma wo ho hwɛ ne wantwani ahwɛ ɔti wote hwɛ yɛ ne wantwani ahwɛ ɔti tutu so mano papa mano pafu nsem hunu na moka weki tu abi na o dojo no ha wonya be ma wo Poma kwan sa wo be kofie no akoka no kra ache wa manfo sa enye no kreda sa nananom na hye mra sa ohene bia wo ntafo a ewo sa yekum baako na mom enam na nadwie dede ne pesa menkuminya ne nanchie ne na ponche a obenya awinti e na o hye sa mra no eti me pesa okọ na akoka che wa manfo sa nananom ro ma hye ne sa ohene bia wo ntafo a ewo sa baako eye ohene na baako eye konfo na onim sa obeye konfo eti na o hye sa amra ne se yenkun no na wanya ne nanchie ene ne mponche na wawe eti ko na koka no kreche wa manfo misra kosa na nanom onka ho na omomo ho bai ko no. What is the wine on Pibla? We see Pibla or Bema Pibla. So, who's what now?
So wouldn't so would your parents you want him who? And the woman and that oh, and now walk as a sleeping. So, so on Pema Semia. I would take the photo from Fampa, Pierre the Black. You want to tell me? I can't be with you to her. Me, and in another sapon kuma. Sapon kuma. I'll come by. Why now come no more? I'll from kuma. Me, any atana. What therefore I won't know. And now we're drilling bonnet. And no person in community. Also, man, come here, go jam it too. And Ramu, Saka, Bobby and Semen. Me, and no. Men have got talk in your beat. Me, I have got two Ramu. Sabobi told me. It's all fantastic. Yeah, to say, every black and now, we're here, Abba. They will be actually remember to what one of you. It is so way, yeah, they are. And I did it. Oh, Eva! You did it! Tibra! Show yourself! Show yourself! Oh, from me, money. I'm in your pancasa. And now, here, Abba. You ready? And now you're there. You're waiting on and on him for what say. And he who fights and run away, oh yes, lives to fight another day. Kemi, Nameba, believer.
And I'm afraid and your money. Give me person who say, who you can see, I'm to see. That Jimmy, you are. When I'm better, I can see so. You are for me too. Now, would you deep gray so? Say, oh, any. Now, see, I won't say, what do penny fees one? Did you make your one? Say, I said, young Canny. Young Gray and my woman also. So we do any shame. No pet, dear. Obey you, says what for the one wow. Within Pataku, you can see my baby. Wow, wow, ye, I can see my knee to you yourself. Oh, yeah. Now, more, Minana, and to me now, so. My son, my 12 and I will say, my 12. Someone free what we need to win. Papa, nza dia wo kan nyina ewom. Ne kwan so a no. Ansabio mo mpanimfo ya na mo san kan asem bi se awade a dia awade ne kwan eware pa. Kwan na eware ni nti yedi abotre ene tu aware esa papa ema de bebre okrum ha na sabio se be ya ubehunu de wotene ana de oye papa no eno ne asem no aje nananom adaroma na omodom ya ana omodom ya betumi ayi papa amame waka papa mate menya abotre na ma hwehwem enche
Baby. Made in Abachia. Tea Kamakuma, the 2 years. I said, and then when you should be a champion, and you're home. You tell me now, someone, and you're fair. And I said, say, who's what will be? And you're winning pan, one clap. When I see Pass out, Bassaman. Oh, for the assembly now, concern. Oh, but one and one said. And celebrate my baby, a farmer. The young man. OKONFO Poma. Me help mano, na de yin kuma dia mamo. OKONFO Anokye Poma. E wo ko ya de. Nti ayenkan. Ko ya de mo. Anokye Poma. Obeko na twere. Eja musale. Ma mo to tetem abrante bi na ro ha o set di mu fa wo na oba no mo na ni an so pa OKONFO na ale e boni bi na ya na ende na no na ka te ni bi ma no papa na bra na mi ti do meka Tumira, Poma no ankasanye, OKONFO Anokye, no Poma. Say true. Oba no way. Baba na oka. Me say oba no way. Me ba me ni no wa ani ahenka na. Me na meka. Kuma. Me ka dem dit ko yi musuo ma nanano no. Me de bo afade ma nanan aminim. Tumia wanya. Nti woti ma sa abandechi. Na kuma waba kure yi mu. Sati. Wosi kuma mafia. Kuma ba. Yo. Dana masa. Se oba yi na oni ni wadi chamo. Na waba, ani wo yi ni wadi achire. Se wo hu no dia, na me na si heye. Na wo me ka chi oni bie. Woni wasefo. Akonya amutisu me jefu mabusu amfo. Muni ahiye ni bia. Me fa ko mi fie. Eni masefo akofo ato. Na OKONFO ya wo kan de na se kyerɛ sei. Na se kyerɛ sei. Ma wa to atana mo. E wo se ho. Papa na wo kan na. Papa wo. Papa says, why not? I'm dia. I can't down. Down. What's it? Papa, catch your papa. So, what? What's it? I hear me for. That's something down out now. I see. Na me sheni se tu mi ba me me busia fo tu mi ni ewura OKONFO Anokye Poma ba aba me fie ko mama me busia fo Jeffro musem shishemra ba ya mo di so na mtu odele Say kuma onya oni. Na na dede. I didn't know Tima dancer. Why you so mean? What's my dendo? What can't talk? Can't. That's a Santo Quaway dear. A befno. Fra. And Yami so what? I don't want to any. I see me bush yaso. What was so simple bush yan ass? Just open community. I want Yaminti. What to any as me papa? Any million so. And yes, sir. What you are so wrong? Wait, OKONFO ANOKYE POMA no any. 2 million. What eh? Damn. When I was someone, now, they can kuna kaya. They can kuna kaya. Come a coon. I said, Jawanam. Mesuko so. Chow, take. Namasa no worry. Naman no worry. How do you try? Nemutuo!
OKONFO ANOKYE.
Trade and Pokwabe, Assasia, and in a nanomasi. Say, what do I do her as a penny? Son said, no bonny for per se, and now the bonny press or ya or no, say or no, and then sending sassy form. So I do must be with Janessa and Mecano. When a double me frame one. As one person may catch on, say, I say, a jacum, you didn't send that. Nesana kono nyen kwankwa nuase kono wakubia waya ade bema beye bi na wanye ni nyina be bia duro no waya ade na minshirawo so wakuntokwa etisa na enkwa esina de nyina sabi wo nkwa wo bibia di amekasa wudim se OKONFO ANOKYE POMA ya I don't know to me wom I book rain ya hoban e ba de hia amutimi di akonya hoban akodi duede ho no ama ne emuaye duama na nti opeso hye kroyi nyina ase na wodi akonya ifiri ha e de kwa busua fufuro abraham mu wo ho wan ne sai na amene nipa umu ya unim di obenya asa me ka kira mu se ifiri de enanumre ye one da bogu ko ba mu ho adwa e wo kurokesi mamu nyamo ho aboayo nafo na yankochi no chechiriwere enkoku no okumawu na yankocha ne nam woduchem mfiri krom ho na na twia asan pesa bi kache wa one da papa e da wa no ase na so papa wonim se botaye esimani so enuti ena me ba akrodua mu ha na enkopim se sa botaye no ebe wie no mitumi entumeto enfiri kodua mu ha na OKONFO ANOKYE POMA no e wo se me kogye esande ba sa abusua yi mu mesre wo papa me fo wano entwitwi fam na so mitumi entumeto
Sabo sama papa famba bino munene ya atwan say, do you did it? And not do you did it? Or you'll be a pebusia yasam. A canon could not be seen as a shame. Sir, or you'll be a the lip swing. My son to me, shame. Me nyama dwen se metu batabia o. Ka me nyama dwen se metu batabia. But asama ba ka me to so. And say, o see e kubo e wodwa. E kubo dwa se de be ya. Due dede esue bia no abebo nchen. So and so do who this way. Say oduma komada roma. E press mu no. On sabeka. Oh. Don't they say prevention is better than cure? That say better na ha. Kuma na yole atuge. Papa kade.
Anye den ya akonya ne baba fi ha. Se wo wagu dabo agu a wan de bia ko. Sam. Anadua sama maka cha mumiedu no, mumiedu muntam asem. Se obiati. Noya mumu abo amo. Wo kokran kra obia. Dua me kwa meja mkwai. Mse nananom ani twedi ankokwa me ko bokwa so.
Papa waka wate.
Wo
me papa ne wo. Na me nua nso ne dabo. Me de ose ebe yo. Wate.
So tie ba no asem ati aminitwi nanu manka mo ti no aba se mo besa ko ti ko ko he
Now you are speaking my language. So just show me where the village is. I go pick up the stuff, bring it, and it's done. And I can enjoy my inheritance. I really don't give a two hoot about all this story. Show me where the village is, I go get it, and it's done. I'm ready. Let's go.
Relax. It's not easy as you think.
What do you mean it's not as easy as I think? Oh gosh, people just hard to deal with. The village is there. You know where the village is. Show me. I go there. I pick the stuff, bring it, and enjoy my inheritance, and it's done. What is this? Why not?
OKONFO ANOKYE Prekese jamadwai Ofiti kotiana ne waje fiemu Memene emwaiko OKONFO ANOKYE Prekese jamadwai
The statue of OKONFO ANOKYE. This is it? Yeah. You sure?
That is OKONFO ANOKYE. The legendary OKONFO ANOKYE. That is it.
This is the guy.
That is the guy. The great man.
I see. So, I mean, you've been living here all your life. Tell me something. What do you know? Maybe you have some in-depth knowledge of what I don't know. I just want to know.
You see, just look at this hospital, this big hospital. OKONFO ANOKYE Teaching Hospital.
Right.
Yeah. It is believed that he once planted a certain sword there, long time ago.
Planted a sword?
Yes,
there.
he planted a sword there and prophesied that one day something big will happen here, or something like a big hospital or something great will be built there. And true, it has come to pass. And now we have the biggest hospital in the Ashanti region there. So the sword is still there.
Wow.
That is the man.
The sword is still there.
It is there. So what we've been hearing about this OKONFO ANOKYE is not fiction. It's reality. The man once lived. Really?
I know this might be very weird that I'm standing here and talking to a statue, but I really don't mind, and I can see all these people looking at me. It's like I'm doing something very embarrassing, but I don't know what you want from me, okay, or my family, but I am not interested.
I mean, if your sword or your staff got missing years ago and you want to find it, please come out of your statue or wherever your spirit is. Come and go and find your staff yourself.
Listen, mind your speech. Beware of the kind of words you are uttering.
That's a sad point.
You don't know the spirit in this man.
Hold on 1 second. My life is being frustrated right now. So I brought you here to explain something to me, and I am going through some issues in my life, and this OKONFO ANOKYE of a person is the one frustrating me. I'm saying to you, my friend, wherever you are, your spirit, wherever it is, I'm saying, leave me out of this. Okay? If you want to find your stuff, come down, go and find it. Just let me be. My inheritance is all I need, and I don't care about your stuff. So just forget about me and find somebody else. Find somebody else to go and do your dirty work. I'm not interested, okay? All right? This is all nonsense. It's nonsense.
Are you okay? You do a baby, what? I want to be do a baby. You are here. I say, mind your speech. Mind your speech. Renam.
I want to see the sword.
You want to see the sword. But you said you were not interested.
I want to see the sword.
Now you are interested. You want to see. Well, it is planted somewhere in there. Inside the hospital. Okay. Very interesting. I'm going to show you it's printed inside somewhere. He was a great man. I'm telling you.
And you're sure the sword is there?
The sword is there. He planted it somewhere. It's somewhere inside there. It's now even a tourist, attraction. People travel from all walks of life. Coming with the sword. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's. That's Duffy.
I'm out who you knew about him, auntie.
Duffy, many from it, young double. And I'm in a sapon, kuma, a 2 batako kissing.
Hey! Not sapon, what is it?
We're going home.
Kafra, sapon, kuma, I couldn't crash.
Oh! Just so. Dabe.
Che pizza.
Oh.
The Benny, a friend of Diaco.
There's one of those 2 but I know I'm managing and I don't have a brain.
The chain said, where some Sebi, what the buy and a year. The Japadini in a dear man. A dear Bakua, my in Laman and Tree, and they say, Nsamaseno or say, answer no better, dear man. Just a quad joke on Okonfo Poma at the back. And son of me, dear Demo, and I.
Just a no Japadena, for penny cook a sim, and a man about. The just of a fat Okonfo Poma and so I come. Yes, now, Okonfo Poma or so me fano, or say that was I. No, a bayra, Abafra Ejo. I will know as you call me. And there were no one to me, and you know. Also, my son, no name. This is what my family say.
Excuse me, I think I should just come in here. I think it's a simple matter. You know, if you know where the staff is, just show me where to get it. I pick it up and I'll be on my way. I don't think this is a big deal. My uncle knows it's here. So we've come for it. If it even means going back tonight, I'm ready and prepared. So let me just get it and go back to the city and enjoy my life.
You relax, I'm coming.
Who say simple, sir? The men call from Mount Nana Giaco. Not just say, what they upon go where Pantam, yes, sir. Now, Frau, about much dear. And yet, Mary Sakura. Very simple.
Offer. We get a become a mamuni na aquaba. I say, Mamma can ask him, Mammy, the emotion. And now, dear, Sabia Wolfia. Okonfo Anokye Poma na openo. Waka yate. Nemu enya dia ye betena wo sisi a na chese. Pa yetu ako. Maba mabre monye mahome. Tina yetimisa si nkonya. Toto fa ho adwen na. Ya betena kike dia me de me yi kakra.
The moka minimum ya adwen. Ye beda. Na ade chia. Ye hudie. Ye be. It's like we have to sleep, and tomorrow morning we know what to do.
You and who sleeping?
You?
No, I'm not going to sleep here. I am not going to sleep here. I came for the staff, and that's what I'm getting. So if they know where it is, just show me where it is, and I pick it up and I can leave.
Over, dear Mickey. Come on into na sum say enya dia ehyen empase a chese oba bebisa ya yata mama wo.
It's not one night
Uncle,
that we can get there.
I understood them all. I understood.
And so if you understand why insist this night,
because I don't want to sleep here. I'm going to find a hotel close by and I'll sleep there. That's all I'm saying. Tomorrow I can come over and we can just settle.
Papa will want me a man to me crap.
Oh, you can't talk, minimum the more. More command, one is upon come. What's a salmon near me? And a mutu a far pian, a near giant, and a mokoya. You knew near war, there's a madam at Tonka. They say, send your papa won't hear. Son as upon command, and I say, yeah.
Uncle, please, let me just put this right now. Why are we discussing history? Why are we going into the past? Your dad is dead, he's dead. He's been gone, buried. What you told her, you didn't tell her, doesn't matter, does it? Are you now going to cry? Come on. Let's move on. You know why I'm here. You brought me here because of the OKONFO Anokye stuff. And that is why I'm here. That's why I have been here. And to date, nothing. I'm here to get this stuff. It's hindering my inheritance. I need to get it and get out of here. And you are talking about history, who died, who didn't die, who said what to what. Is all this necessary? No, uncle, don't go with the relaxed line, I beg. All the way from back there, you relax. We are here. You are still saying relax. Can we just get to it? You brought me here so they can help us. And what is this? Let's get to the crux of the matter.
What was the kind of crime fan? They say only then a Japadia. I will be Falco. I could did the honor and in the Hiano. Now, OKONFO Anokye Poma. And yet by Abdewaju.
Why not?
And now what's I said the Okoko to Afa.